Hey there, and welcome to this Orion Finance review. So, if you're looking at making money with cryptocurrency, then the chances are you might be looking at the Orion Finance crypto multi-level marketing opportunity, and you're wondering to yourself, is it worth my while or is it going to be a waste of time? And most importantly, am I going to waste my hard-earned money? And you see, the thing is, I don't blame you for checking it out because there's a lot of crypto multi-level marketing opportunities that are doing the rounds, and the sites might look fantastic, and they might have things that from the outside looks like it's legit. But when you invest your money, you find only then at the end that it's a scam and you've got taken for a ride, and by then it's just too late. So is Orion Finance one such opportunity? Today, I'm happy to share this review with you and some of my findings about this company, and I'm hoping that it can help you to make an easier decision on what to do as far as this business opportunity is concerned. And before we jump into that review, I just want to say thanks. By the way, my name is Rupesh. If it's your first time here, a very warm welcome to you. But I want to say thanks for checking out this video. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. And if you want to get started with your own profitable online business, then feel free to check out my number one recommendation. Just simply click on the link that is below this video. Okay, so before we go further, I just want to quickly show you what the site looks like. And the URL of the site is orionfinance.org. And the world's first brand which made the blockchain economy simple, convenient, and profitable for you. Today is the best time to change your life. And then there's a quick registration if you want to sign up to the platform. And what you need to do is you just fill in your details, right? And you'll notice something that it's only limited to specific countries. Okay, so investments on the Orion Finance platform presented as a smart pool product. It is a decentralized pool of liquidity, the profitability of which ranges from 0.7% to 1.4% per day, thanks to full automation. Using the profitability calendar, how much you can earn if you invest 10,000 US dollars, then you can have a potential of earning, according to the site, 85%, and that equates to 85 US dollars. This is per day. And then they also give you a share of how much the company will take from this initial investment. For they're projecting over 30 days that by investing in this company, you can actually earn for a period of over 30 days, 2,550 US dollars, and over 365 days, you can make a return of 310%, which equates to $31,000 for your initial $10,000. So that is the offering of the company. And let's just check out who is the owner of the company. Okay, this is a gentleman here, the CEO, and he goes by the name of Brian McCorry. Okay, so as you might have noticed, the site looks pretty well in design and it looks very professional. And if you go deeper into it, you have to analyze exactly what is going on here. So the key selling point of Orion Finance is that you can get a return of your investment from 0.7% to 1.4% of the amount that you choose to invest. They have various different packages that you can invest from, and this return of investment what I made it seem so attractive about it is that you can receive your return in a short period of time as a daily basis as well as within a monthly basis as well. And it's a passive income return. However, the condition is that if you invest in Orion Finance, you can't just invest in straight US dollars. You're going to have to invest, and that US dollars get converted into their token which they use on the platform, which is only exclusively to that platform, which is called the ORUSD. And once you invest, it becomes part of the Orion Finance smart contract, and this is where they said you can get or you can reap the return of your investment. But in addition to it, you can also make money another way, and that is by inviting folks to join under you. In other words, to recruit folks into the business. In other words, this is the multi-level marketing part of the company. Now, the compensation plan in terms of the multi-level marketing is a bit complex, but I'll quickly run down to you how you can earn in that way. Okay, so first they got various ranks within the company, and it starts off with the first rank right up to 15 ranks. The first rank is where you start off as the Orion Finance affiliate, and it costs $100 to invest, right up to the last rank where it costs you at least 100,000 to get started. And the requirements is you need to at least generate 3 million US dollars in personal recruited affiliate volume, and your downline needs to have at least 100 million in downline investment volume. Then you can earn referral commissions, which goes up to 3 levels deep. On the first level, of course, you'll only earn on the people you personally sponsor, and that's, say, if you have to invest an amount of $100 up to $999. But if you go on to the higher levels, and if you invest $50,000 up to $100,000, that's when you can stand to earn not only 6% from your direct referrals, which is on level 1, but you can also earn 3% on your indirect referrals on level 2 and level 3 respectively. And then they also have other bonuses like a residual bonus, which is a binary 3 compensation plan. It just works out on the weaker leg of your binary 3. They have a start bonus, which is basically given to folks who achieve specific ranks within a shorter period of time, and you get a bonus on that. And you also get rank advancement bonus, which is worked out on where you are within the company, and if you achieve a certain rank, then you get that particular bonus. Okay, so now let's talk about some of the red flags about Orion Finance. The first obvious one is the owner, Brian McCory. There is insufficient information about him. They only stated he is the CEO, and I've checked out the LinkedIn profile, I've checked out most of the professional websites, and I could not find any information more about Mr. Brian McCory. For all we know, he could just be an actor. The company states that they have a dedicated unit that has been exclusively dedicated to the blockchain since 2013. So in other words, they're trying to say that they've been around since 2013. Well, this is not actually true, because when I checked when the domain was actually registered, the domain name of orionfinance.org was actually created only this year, recently on the 9th of June 2021. So that's the second red flag. The next red flag is that there is no proof of earnings on the site. The site does not even have a decent disclaimer or any social media icons as well, even though it's well in design. And the last red flag, there is no retailable products or services. So essentially what that means is that if people want to make more money, they have to introduce more people into the company, so more commissions can be sent to the people who are higher above in the company ranks. Now I just want to leave you with what the definition of a Ponzi scheme is. Check this out. Now, according to Wikipedia, a Ponzi scheme is a form of fraud that lures investors and pays profits to the earlier investors with funds from the more recent investors. The scheme leads victims to believe that profits are coming from legitimate business activity, product sales, or successful investments, and they remain unaware that other investments are the source of the funds. So now the big question is Orion Finance a scam? Well, is the company able to show you or to back up where the money is coming from to pay the new members? No. The only source that you can see that's coming into the company is from new members. But as for the rest of the red flags, I think the company is withholding a lot of information. And having said that, I would exercise one to take precaution when it comes to deciding to signing up to Orion Finance. Well, that concludes my review. I hope that it has helped you out and it has given you all the answers that you need to make an informed decision. If you have any more questions or comments, please leave them below this video. And if you want to learn how to get started with making real money online by starting your very own profitable online business, even if you are a complete newbie, then check out my #1 recommendation by clicking on the link below this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so we can chat in my next video. Wish you everything of the best in your online success. Take care.